Hi and welcome to the Jenkins Masterclass. Before we begin, let's cover the basics. What is Jenkins? It's one of the most popular DevOps tools. It's a key tool we as DevOps engineers use for CI/CD. CI/CD is continuous integration, continuous delivery, and by the end of this course, you're going to be an expert at it. We use Jenkins to automate builds and deployments. This is why it's so popular. And it's also open source with over 1,400 plugins. And these plugins extend the functionality considerably. If I were a DevOps engineer or looking to break out into the field, Jenkins is one of those must-have tools that you need to know about and also a fantastic one to have on your CV. There are plenty more platforms out there, but Jenkins by far is the most popular one. And a lot of what you learn here, especially the theory side, is going to be translatable to many other tools and platforms. So again, welcome to the Jenkins Masterclass. A little bit about your instructor. My name's TJ. I've been working in the IT industry for nearly 10 years. I've worked in numerous sectors. This is from small startups to huge Fortune 100s. I'm AWS and Docker certified, and I'm also the lead DevOps engineer at my own consulting company. And I want to add, I've been using Jenkins for quite a while now. And I've noticed with a lot of courses, and especially when teaching other engineers, there's a lot of stuff that they miss. And this course, as with all my courses, I try and build them on real industry experience. Fast track your Jenkins knowledge today. Learn it quickly and easily. It's going to be hands-on and practical. I don't like to bore you with PowerPoints. In fact, this is probably one of the only PowerPoint presentations you're going to see in the entire course. I, as an engineer, know how valuable your time is, and I don't want to waste your time going through anything unnecessary. It's a short course, so the results are quicker. You're going to become an expert in no time at all. So go ahead, sign up, and I look forward to seeing you on the course.